This is a video review of this fun kids informational educational microscope. Here we have on button.
Hi, ready to explore with the GeoSafari Talking Telescope? Press the Facts button to learn about animals and outer space. Press the Quiz button for questions.
On this side we have a tray with different films. And each card has its own signature key over here. When you insert the telescope or microscope nose.
Yoo-hoo! Do you still want to play? Press the Facts button to learn about animals and outer space. Press the Quiz. Let's learn some fun facts. Pick a slide and enter its code. Pick a slide and enter its code.
And right here we have specific code.
Pick a slide and enter its code. C, C, A. You chose Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. Let's learn another fact. Turn the dial. Let's take a quiz about Earth. True or false? Earth is the closest planet to the Sun. Press A for true. Press B for false. That's right. Let's try another question. Pick a slide and enter its code. Pick a slide and enter its code. A, C. You chose the orangutan. True or false? Orangutans are meat eaters. Bye.
And here we have many different cards. Compact, cute, perfect for kids, educational.